In this video, I will guide you on how to empty hidden trash on Android. If you want to empty your hidden trash on Android and free up storage, follow these steps. First of all, launch open the Google Photos app. Now tap on Collections. Once you tap on this, find the option of Bin, select that. Now you want to tap on the Select option at the top. Go ahead and select that. Then you want to tap on the option of Delete All. Then tap Delete Permanently. After that, you want to open your Messages app. Tap on your profile icon, then tap Archive. Now select the messages, then tap on the Delete option. Once you have cleared your archived messages, head over to the Gmail app. Here, tap on the menu icon, 3 lines at the top left, then select Bin. Now tap on the Empty Bin option. Tap on Empty to confirm. After that is done, you want to open your settings. Here tap on Device Care, then tap Storage. Now scroll down and find the option of Recycle Bin, select that. Here you want to open different categories, then select the items and tap on Delete. Now the next method is only for Samsung users. If you use Samsung phone, then head over to My Files, then scroll down and find the Recycle Bin option. Here you want to select the items and then tap on Delete All as well. Once all of that is done, all hidden and leftover trash files are permanently removed. Your phone storage is freed up significantly. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.